Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of India's most iconic tractor brands, Mahindra. Known for its power, reliability, and deep roots in Indian farming history, Mahindra tractors have been a trusted companion for generations of farmers. Let's start with one of the most legendary models, the Mahindra B-275D. Introduced decades ago, this tractor became a symbol of strength on the fields. Its simple mechanics, fuel efficiency, and strong build quality made it a favorite across rural India. Even today, you'll find many of these machines still running, proof of their durability. Another classic is the Mahindra 575D, a powerful 45 HP tractor that offered both performance and comfort. It was built to handle tough farm tasks and offered better hydraulics, making it ideal for plowing, harvesting, and more. Many farmers still rely on this model due to its easy maintenance and solid performance. Mahindra didn't stop there. Over the years, they introduced other popular models like the 265D, 475D, and 275D2. Each one built on Mahindra's reputation for producing tractors that are farmer-friendly, affordable, and long-lasting. What made Mahindra stand out was their understanding of Indian soil conditions and farming needs. They didn't just make machines, they made machines that solved real problems. Whether it was small landholdings or heavy-duty farming, Mahindra had a solution. In future videos, we'll explore the evolution of Mahindra tractors, from these vintage legends to today's modern beasts. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you love tractors and farming history. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Would you like the same script translated into Hindi or used in a voiceover template?